How to get dark mode on any app on Android. This tutorial shows you how to force dark mode across all your apps, even if they don't officially support it. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. Scroll down and tap on Display. From there, toggle on Dark Mode to enable it system-wide. This will automatically apply dark mode to all apps that support it. In the next step, if an app still isn't switching to dark mode, let me show you how to force it. Go back to the main settings page, scroll down, and tap on Developer Options. At this stage, once inside Developer Options, scroll down and look for Force Dark Mode. Following this, toggle on to Force Dark Mode on all apps, regardless of whether they officially support it. Once done, reopen any app that wasn't showing dark mode, and it should now be displaying in dark mode. From here, keep in mind that forcing dark mode on apps that don't officially support it may cause some visual glitches. Things like text colors or images may not look perfect, but it works well for most apps. Finally, if you ever want to go back to light mode, simply toggle dark mode off. Everything will switch back to normal right away. And that's it. If this guide helped you get dark mode on all your apps, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.